In this video, I'm going to be talking about 10 products that other people are selling that you hopefully can sell as well. All the people that will be shown in this video are people that are part of this community, whether it's on the YouTube channel or the Facebook group. Some of these products will surprise you, so make sure to watch till the end. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand shops. If you happen to be new to the channel and you're looking to learn how to make some money online, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of the future uploads. And for anyone looking to go the extra mile, I have a free print on demand starter guide that's linked down in the description. However, if you're someone who's looking to make this more of a full-time thing, I have a paid step-by-step guide that's also linked down in the description. So I'll be going through 10 products that have been sold by people who watch these videos. Some of these people will come from the comment sections of my YouTube videos, and some people will come from the post over on the Facebook group, which if you're not a part of it, it's free to join and it's linked down below. Nevertheless, if you're looking forward to this video, a like rating would be very much appreciated. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and it also shows me that you guys like this video. Before we fully get into this, we have 2 comments from people who started to get sales after waiting a little while. So the first one here is from Melissa and it says, I sold 20 items the other night. It was the 3-month anniversary of me opening my Redbubble store. And she feels that she's pretty much killing it as a newbie, which I completely agree with, because to get 20 sales in one night, it's crazy for anyone, especially someone who's starting up. And I've put that there mainly because I know there's a lot of people watching this that might be struggling to get sales. This is just to show you that if you're patient enough, the sales will eventually come. And then next up, we've got My Little Teddy, and she's put, OMG, I just got my first 2 sales thanks to you, man. Don't thank me, thank yourself. You're putting in the work. And she also put in there that she found smaller niches, which is what pretty much helped her to do this. Now with smaller niches, it's something I talk a lot about. If you go on Redbubble and you look at the big niches and you sub niche into them, you will find ideas that will help you to get sales. I'm assuming this is what she's gone and done here. So if you haven't tried that already, definitely try it out and you could potentially get yourself the same results. Now moving us on to the first product, we've got Rutuja here, and Rutuja said, I sold 27 hoodies, which is insane. She goes on to talk about how she's not selling any other designs besides this one and how she can change this. I did reply to that comment, but besides that, the fact that she sold 27 hoodies shows that people can sell hoodies. A lot of people for some reason don't think they can sell stuff like this. They don't know how to activate them, and it's pretty easy to activate this. You just have to make sure that on your standard print clothing, so the first option in your back office is activated. If that's enabled, you can sell hoodies. Nevertheless, she has sold 27, so if she can do it, you can do it as well. Next up, we've got Flow Mix, and she's put down, I've made 2 sales with 89 visitors on a store with 30 designs, which is pretty good because I usually recommend people to get to at least 100 designs. She also goes on to say, it took me 2 months to get my first sale. Those 2 sales were only related to the election and they were text related designs. Right, so the main reason I've put this there is to show that text related designs do sell. Even if you're someone that's starting up that has not got any sales as of yet, you can get sales if you manage to jump on a trend that's doing well. And for this person here, they managed to jump onto the election trend. They went into that niche with a simple text-based designs and they managed to get themselves a sale representing both sides of the election. Next up, we have Camilla Stantos, and she's saying that I just wanted to say that after watching your videos, I started making sticker packs and I made my first sale. Now, sticker packs are something that I've spoke about in videos in the past quite a lot. Till this day, people still aren't creating sticker packs. If you don't know what they are, I'll link the videos down in the description where I spoke about sticker packs. But sticker packs will for sure give you the edge, especially if you're someone who's in smaller niches. And obviously they sell, as you can see by what Camilla is saying here. Moving us on, we have Whale Harmony. This was a comment that popped up today as of me making this video, and they just put their great channel, so thank you for that. I appreciate the kind words. And then they went on to say that I've not made any sales in a long time, but now it's pretty much sped up, which is what I'm assuming they're trying to say there. They've gone on to say that today they got 2 sales, which is insane, especially for someone who's been struggling to get sales. When you finally get those 2 sales coming in, it feels so amazing. And I just wanted to showcase this because I know there's a lot of you that have not got any sales yet, that are struggling, that are hoping. I'm just trying to shine a light on the people that are doing it, that were also in your position, just so that you know you can do this too. Next up, we've jumped onto one of the first from the Facebook group, and we have Ali. And Ali just posted a picture showing that they sold 33 stickers to one person pretty much. Now, the crazy thing about this is the fact that a lot of people struggle to sell stickers, mainly because they might put a shirt as their front image on the designs. Now, when you put stickers as your front image on your designs, which is what I'm assuming this person did, that will increase your chances of getting sales. And they got all of these sales, and they were even still annoyed at the fact that they hadn't put their margins even higher. And I speak about margins in other videos. In fact, if you've not watched my last video, check that out. I talk a lot about margins in that video. Nevertheless, it's the fact that they use stickers as their front images they sold. So if you're out there, you're struggling to get sales, definitely put stickers as your front images, and you might also end up getting a lot of sales as well. This is really impressive. I mean, 33 stickers in one sale is insane. Moving on, we've got Nader Muhammad. And Nader Muhammad put on the Facebook group that he got his first throw blanket sale, and from what I'm seeing there, he had 25 profit margins set on it, and he made $12.17, which is really insane. And once again, this is a person that's like you guys watching these videos. They've put up their designs, they've made sure that all of their products are activated, and they've gone and sold a throw blanket. Next, we have Sharma. I think I've got him twice here for 2 different products, but I'll go on to talk about the other one a little later on. But this product he sold here was a kid's pullover hoodie. I mean, he's gone on to say in the little message above, this is his first kids pullover hoodie he sold. Activate all of your products, guys, pretty much. If you want to know how to activate these sort of things, how to activate kids clothing in general, once again, there'll be a video I made about that, link down in the description, so you can go ahead and check that. He actually made £3.72 from this, and his profit margins were set at 19%, which is pretty cool to see. Next up, once again, we've got Sharma again. And on this one, it's just showing that he sold a mug. And this was, funnily enough, after I just released my video on how to sell mugs on Redbubble. I don't know if you went and followed the tips I spoke about in that video. Nevertheless, he went on to sell a mug, which is pretty cool to see. Next up, we have Ame. This is actually my friend, like my real life friend that I got into Redbubble, and he's since then just took it into his own hands and run with it. And he put a screenshot on the Facebook group. These were 4 different products he sold. I think 3 different products actually. 2 of them were a shower curtain, he had an active t-shirt there, and duvet covers. And it's pretty much put a message there saying to people, don't give up. And I couldn't agree with him more. The more work you put in, the more designs you upload, the more sales you will get. The fact that he's selling duvet covers and shower curtains is insane. I can guarantee you when he first started, he wouldn't have expected to be able to do this. And if you want to hear more about his journey, I actually did a sort of interview video with him a little while back. I'll link that down in the description as well. So yeah, it'll be down there with all the other things. Next up, we have Stephanie. Now, Stephanie is a regular on the channel. I see her in the comments, I see her on the Facebook group, and Stephanie is doing really well when it comes to Redbubble. And with Stephanie, she's put there that she sold a tote bag. It's got a essential t-shirt, mug, pullover shirt, and that's just to name a few of the screenshots she actually shared with people. And on the message above, she was saying it's pretty much time for you guys to up your margin. And for anyone watching this video who hasn't already upped their margin, if you've not got any sales as of yet, you can keep your margins the same or drop them. But if you've been getting sales consistently, this is probably the time to up your margins, because as we get closer to the holiday season, that's pretty much Christmas, you will see more sales coming in. So definitely up your margins, and you can very much increase your profits. Going off what Stephanie said, if you're looking to increase your margins, I actually made a video the day before I made this one talking about the products that have made me the most and what margins I have set. So if you want information on that, that video will be linked down in the description. down in the comment section. If you have any sales at all, let me know what product you sold. If you've not yet got any sales, comment down working hard. And whether you're getting sales or whether you've not got sales, I'll try to reply to as many of you guys as possible. Nevertheless, that is it for today's video. Make sure to drop a like if you got any sort of value in this. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.